or the much discussed media policy, which the members of the media are in possession of, as government, I wish to just clarify one or two things. We continue, and I do believe that my press release fell probably harsher than was intended. It was intended, let me explain, to be sent out on Wednesday when I addressed it in press briefing. However, due to illness of certain key staff members, this was not done. And because we had reached to the point where we had approved the amended version of the current 2017 policy under which we are functioning, and which the media has had great input in, I must add, the amendments were simply things that we have noted over the 2 years that we have been here, the complaints echoed within society, and the need of this government to ensure that information to the public is factual, is fair, impartial, and unbiased. That is the objective. It is by no way and means a need for this government to muzzle anyone. It is still quite let's say, the norm that everyone can say whatever they want on their personal platforms. But we believe as government, if you claim to be a journalist, if you claim to be a professional, then that should be reflected in what is produced. The minister mentioned the allegations, the slander, etc., that has been thrown her way. And in my attempt to continue to go high when others go low, I refuse to actually read the defamatory and, operaient, what do you call that in English? The statements that are made to rile up the population. At times, when you give things attention, they then feel validated. I am trusting the public of St. Martin to be able to discern facts from fiction, and I'm hoping that with the media having received the policy, you have your opportunity to see what small changes have been made or what clarifications have been made. And of course, feel free to send your feedback. However, we would expect that by May, the start of May, we are able to implement the changes that have been put forth in the updated policy.